Mr. Wolf said, if. Now, if is difficult to understand, but you have to use it. If you wait here, I will go there and get you this. If you finish your soup, I will give you pudding. There's a condition. Let that condition be understood by the children by using this if in many different ways. If you finish your homework, we will go to the market. You have got to use this language. I said if you do this, I will do this. If it rains, you have to take the raincoat. If it rains, we will not go out. That if will have to be used in the proper context of living. Only then they are going to understand. If. But all these are words. Now, if is a function word. Very important. It is not, you will get me a bone. If you will get me a bone. It is very important, that word. But they don't see the meaning of it, so they are omitting it. And what you don't understand, which has no meaning for you, you forget. In no time. It is, she's saying, is this thing, although she's hearing it. You have to say it. If you will get me a bone, I will not eat you.
Is.
It is not is.
This.
No, it is not this either. What is this?
It.
No, it's not it. What is this? Louder.
If. You.
If I am, now I'm making them listen to the letters. See, I-S, I-N, I-T, I-F. When we are talking, what they are understanding, God alone knows. And when they are saying if or in or it or is? We don't know. We just accept it. They are saying something else. We are understanding it something else. So these, if, is, it, in, make it quite sure that she is using the word that should be used and not vaguely. Are you saying is or in or it? So let her also be, ask her this. Ask him, are you saying is or it or in? Please do that. Or if. They haven't understood, but is it in this? This also, although there are 4 letters, there are still, sound is only one syllable. Isn't it? So that you please make them, these are some of the, some of the areas where there is confusion with deaf children. And we tend to let it go. Right? Thinking that yes, थोड़ा बहुत तो बोलती है ना, ठीक है ना. So there is difference between if and you keep saying this means different.